Hey guys, I am your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to encrypt a PDF or add a password in a PDF file. So let's start our video after this short break. So here I have taken this demo file, and this is a Adobe Acrobat Reader DC file, and we can also add password using this, but it requires the pro version of Adobe Acrobat. So in this video I'll discuss the free way. So for encrypting a PDF file for free, we need to open our main browser. So here I am using Google Chrome as my main browser. Then we have to search www.smallpdf.com/protect-pdf. So here you can see this website, and now we have to choose file here. So let me select file, and here I am selecting this demo file. Once the file is uploaded, we can choose our password. Then we have to re-enter our password. So here I am adding a password and then re-enter the same password. And then we have to click this encrypt PDF. So now the file is encrypted and we can download this file. So now you can see that this file is downloaded. Then we have to close our browser. Then we can see the downloaded file in the library. Then go to downloads. And here you can see that demo file protected. Here we can rename it. So let me rename it with the same name. And now it's renamed. And we can check that whether it is encrypted or not. So here you can see that demo file.pdf is protected. So I have to enter my password, and once you have entered the password, you can get access to your PDF file. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.